Speed. Tingling nerves. Drama.
An horrendous crash.
These are the elements that guarantee fascination in Class 1 powerboat racing, the Formula One of the oceans. The 14-meter-long projectiles race across the open sea at breathtaking speeds. Edox is the first Swiss watch brand ever to develop a successful long-term partnership in the field of water motorsport. The long-established brand, founded in 1884, is strengthening its commitment to this spectacular sport by becoming the official timekeeper of the Class 1 World Powerboat Championships. The high-tech time-measuring instruments from Edox must meet exceptionally demanding criteria with regard to their water resistance, shock resistance, and precision. The new Edox Class 1 day date. Materials from racing and space technology. Case in ultra-light titanium. Water resistant to a depth of 500 meters. Rotating diving bezel made of ceramic. Sapphire crystal. And an automatic high-precision movement with day and date display. The brand new Edox Class 1 GMT Titanium Automatic. Thanks to its second time zone, this automatic timepiece is an ideal instrument for frequent travelers. The Edox Class 1 GMT Titanium appeals in every situation. The flagship of all Edox Class 1 instruments is the new Spirit of Norway Titanium Chronograph. Team Spirit of Norway, 5 times world champion in the fastest racing boats. 2 850 horsepower turbocharged Lamborghini engines catapult the projectiles over the open sea at a speed of 270 kilometers per hour. The pilots Steve Curtis and Björn Rune Yelston say, at 270 kilometers per hour, what you see in front of you is already history. The engineers of the Spirit of Norway and Edox developed the automatic chronograph that leaves no watch fan unmoved. Case in corrosion-resistant titanium. Water-resistant to a depth of 500 meters. Helium valve. Ceramic diving bezel with a tachymeter for speed calculation. Carbon dial. Stop and go function. Case back as a miniature of the original propeller of the Spirit of Norway, and readily interchangeable rubber or titanium bracelet. The new Edox Spirit of Norway Titanium Chronograph Limited Edition, manufactured by the official timekeeper of the UIM Class 1 World Powerboat Championships. Edox, the fusion of dynamism and elegance.